In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna Pay, how to pay with Klarna 2026, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pay with Klarna online and in store, how the payment schedule works, and a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by getting set up on your device of choice. You can use the Klarna app or install the Klarna browser extension. If you choose the extension, pin it so it's easy to access while you shop, and then log into your account. The app works the same way. Open it, sign in, and you're ready to browse. Make sure you've updated to the latest version so everything runs smoothly. Next, search for retailers right inside Klarna. Both the app and the extension let you discover stores where you can use Klarna. This keeps everything centralized and helps ensure your purchase is eligible. If you already know where you want to shop, that's fine too. Klarna will still guide you at checkout. When you're ready to pay on a retailer's site, the Klarna extension will activate automatically. You'll see an option to pay with Klarna. Click it, and Klarna takes over the checkout flow. If a store doesn't natively support Klarna, the extension steps in to make it work anyway. At this point, Klarna often creates a one time virtual card, sometimes called a ghost card, for the exact purchase amount. Think of it like a disposable card that's locked to this transaction. It usually has a short expiration window, so plan to complete checkout promptly once it's generated. Before you confirm, Klarna shows a clear 4 installment breakdown. The first payment is charged immediately, and the remaining three are billed every 2 weeks. Review the dates, ensure you have funds for the first charge, and consider turning on reminders so you never miss an installment. You can track, reschedule within limits, and manage payments in the app's Manage Payments section. To complete the online purchase, copy and paste the virtual card number, expiration date, and security code into the retailer's payment fields, just like a standard card. Double check the billing and shipping details to avoid declines or delays. If you're paying in store, open the Klarna app and tap the In Store tab. Create a digital card and add it to your mobile wallet. At checkout, simply tap your phone on the payment terminal. You'll get the same full payment schedule, and the purchase appears in your Klarna app for tracking. That's it. Keep an eye on your installments, watch for notifications, and handle returns through the retailer. Klarna will adjust your plan once the refund processes.